It wouldn't be a day of technology if we didn't mention Apple. And thankfully from you, we continue to get more street highs. This time you now have a street high of $350 a share. If you come and take a look at a chart in my terminal, that is well above the median analyst and well above where the company is trading now. So why 350? What's behind that call?
Yeah, it's really a continuation of our thesis playing out from this year into next year in terms of the super cycle. I mean, it really comes down to the math. 900 million iPhones worldwide, about a third of those, 350 million, have not upgraded in 39 months. And I think we are going into a super cycle. 5G is going to be on the tail end of that. And I think when you look at that and mining the install base, some of the parts, I think this is a re-rating stock that continues to go higher. I think 350 is base case. I continue to look out 2-3 years. You could see a stock that now starts to approach $1.5 trillion, $2 trillion in terms of that core thesis playing out over the next 2 years.
What if the upgrade super cycle doesn't materialize?
It's a great question, and that I think is the bear thesis is, okay, we've been there before. What happens if 5G is a bust, especially on the first part? You know, I look at right now, if you look at iPhone 11 and you look at the trajectory going into later this year, I can tell you from our work that we've done in Asia, it looks like right now line in the sand is about 200 million units for the 5G cycle. So in terms of suppliers, all indications are that's going to be a real strong product cycle. There could be speed bumps, and I think we'll, of course, hit those in a given quarter going into 2020. But as of right now, the visibility looks as strong as we've seen it. You know, I'd have to go back 5-6 years in terms of where I've seen. And that's really why we have such a bull thesis here on Apple in terms of not just the Rock of Gibraltar iPhone, but in terms of services and re-rating.